Welcome to our expansive Ostrich manufacturing facility.
Let's cross-reference the health certificates now.
I have them right here. Everything matches the traceability manifest.
Perfect. The temperature held steady at 4 degrees Celsius.
Okay, bringing the gate down now.
Clear on the left.
Watch the centering.
The integrated NFC chips provide complete supply chain transparency. We record the weight, grade,
A climate-controlled warehouse maintains a constant 6 degrees Celsius using industrial HVAC systems.
Look at the green feature right here.
I see it. It matches the reference standard perfectly.
The defect distribution on batch 7 clearly exceeds the acceptable threshold here.
Agreed. We need to initiate a corrective action request immediately. Hold the release on that batch.
Integrated water management infrastructure incorporates continuous flow centrifugal separators extracting suspended solids at 8,000 RPM.
Primary rinse cycle initiates as 4,500 liters of filtered water at optimal temperature floods the drum with specialized spot cleaning station features high-pressure washing equipment delivering 110 bar, ensuring effective deep cleaning through adjustable nozzles with fan spray patterns.
Check this area right here.
The optical scan shows residual contamination in the follicles.
Agreed. We need to extend the cycle time and increase the chemical concentration by 5%.
Mechanical dewatering operation employs continuous dewatering systems with controlled G-forces up to 50 GG.
Initiating the soaking cycle for batch 35B.
Confirmed. Monitor the chemical levels closely.
Guide it under, gently now.
Check the temperature on the gauge, make sure it is steady.
Perfect, the agitation is uniform.
Ostrich hides very close to section. Connect to go.
The pH is stabilizing right at 12.5.
Confirmed. The lime is fully dissolved. The load is steady at 1,500 kilos. Copy that. Moving to the drums.
Lumbing processing begins as workers load batches of 4 500-kilogram rehydrated ostrich hides along with freshly prepared Experienced operators monitor up to 12 drums simultaneously, making real-time adjustments to rotation sequences or
Advanced fleshing and splitting operations continues in the specialized processing area, where ostrich hides undergo Industrial-scale fleshing and splitting operations utilize high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control.
Check the thermal curve on this batch. We are within the parameters.
Confirmed. The stabilization is complete. Quality standards met.
industrial scale chromium process ostrich leather utilizing high oscillation.
Professional chromium tanning processing proceeds as skilled African-American male operators manage
The chromium levels are exact. Quality check passed.
Excellent work. Let's move these to the next stage.
The chromium levels are stable across the batch.
Inspection confirms optimal thickness and color saturation.
Advanced dyeing and color uniformity is achieved using German-engineered machinery and computer-controlled automation systems.
Area. Advanced dyes, dyeing and continuing use in the spec hides area.
pigment penetration on batch 3.78 is flawless.
Confirmed. Color uniformity meets the premium standard.
This espresso color is exactly right.
Yes, the quality standards are met for the premium line.
Industrial scale dyeing utilizing high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems with quality assurance protocols ensuring final.
This meets the rigorous standards for premium manufacturing. The color uniformity is perfect.
Check the parameters on the emerald green batch.
Reading steady at 550 nanometers. Quality approved.
Professional drying and conditioning operations proceeds as skilled operators manage the ostrich hide materials through moisture removal and dimensional stability.
Tensile strength is holding steady at 50 newtons.
Excellent. This batch meets the rigorous standards for the luxury line.
The dimensional stability is holding perfectly.
The laser scan confirms 0 defects on the follicles. Spectrophotometer readings are consistent across the lot.
And the tensile strength meets the premium standard.
The moisture removal rate is stable at 4.2%.
Good. The dimensional stability is perfect now.
Check the moisture levels on batch 395. Readings are stable, well within compliance.
Fiber manipulation levels are stable at 3.96.
The texture development is perfect, meets premium standards.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where ostrich hides under...
The tensile strength is optimal on this batch.
Excellent. The texture development is flawless.
Advanced softening and mechanical processing continues in the specialized processing area, where ostrich hides under...
Professional softening and mechanical processing proceeds as skilled South Asian female operators manage the ostrich.
Endorphins received sitting in operations utilize a high-capacity processing equipment and computerized control systems to strict quality assurance.
The optimization algorithm reduced waste by 3%.
And the tensile strength is well within premium standards.
So in practice today. Advanced precision cutting and pattern optimization continues in the specialized Ostrich area.
Advanced industrial stitching continues in the specializing area, where Ostrich hides of professional quality. Final quality control and packaging proceeds as skilled Latina real and
Check the tensile strength on this batch.
The system shows optimal levels, verifying the German machinery calibration.